In an interview with Vanity Fair, actor, comedian, screenwriter, and all-around tall guy Jason Segel admitted having a spooky recurring nightmare between the ages of 8 and 13. Was it being trapped inside Dracula's castle, being eaten by killer potatoes, or being chased by Beetlejuice?
Jason Segel, shout out to Jason Segel. Famous dreamer. Let's say that 8 to 13 age range.
Pagkat kapiling na kita, di na mapipigilan ng pusong tinadhana.
Just so you know, like it would be the biggest explosion out this. And I divide that with like but I ain't going out like I'm going out like and I'm going out low. I'm gonna get there.
Pagod ka na, nandito lang ako, iyong pahinga. Ikaw ang simula, magpahanggang wakas, di na matapos pa. At sa tuwing ika'y wala, di makikita ang saya. Sinanay mo ang puso kong naging nandito ka. Pag hinihirapan ka, naging sasamahan ka. Kailan may asahan, sa'yo lang ang aking nararamdaman. Mahal, di dapat mangamba kung minsan ay Thank you so much, Mommy. I love you. I miss you so much. I miss you so much, Mommy. Sana magparamdam ka na po sa homes.